the shots with me. I'm trouble, I'm fast, I'm clean. I've roamed this land when men done conquered it all. And it stings, but let me say, you'll thank me yet one day. It's the price that we all must pay. Got food, got school, chin up and take a walk. No time to talk. This is the final warning. I'm just saying, I'm not playing. Take a walk. No time to talk. You've got a long way ahead. You better hear what I say and take a walk. No time to talk. This is a final warning. I'm just saying, I'm not playing. Take a walk. No time to talk. You've got a long way ahead. Go take a walk.
You were like a ransom note. If I give in, will you come home? I put everything I had into getting you back. I was only 17, and you were the air I breathed. I walked across a burning bridge for you, for you. Those roads we walked, I'll know forever. Those times we talked, I still remember. Is it not enough that I paid with my heart once, twice? If I'm blind to who you are, which of us was behind bars? Were you worth the price I paid? Your ransom. I tried to find a way to justify missing the signs I knew. My hands were tied the moment we met, and there was more to you. You were only 17, and I was your sick release, a hostage on a silver plate to you, to you. Those roads we walked, I'll know forever. Those times we talked, I still remember. Is it not enough that I paid with my heart once, twice? If I'm blind to who you are, which of us was behind?